Hello guys, flash.fnx. Today we're going to discuss about Abduction Protocol. It's a new cryptocurrency, a new token on the Binance Smart Chain. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So getting onto their website over here, whether you like it or not, we are going to the moon. So Abduction Protocol is an experimental DeFi project that uses a bot to provide inorganic permanent marketing. Our primary goal is to make a reliable, long-term investment that is completely automated, ever-growing, and community-run. We can take a look at the BSC scan. We can see that there are only 2,400 holders at the time of recording. Okay, so you can buy up that token on the Pancake swap using version 2. Make sure the slippage tolerance is on 12%. Click on the swap button over here. Click on confirm the swap. MetaMask will give you a notification and just click on confirm. We can check here the entire chart. We can say that this token was launched on the 5th, 6th of May. It had a massive pump at triple to profits. Again, it was down, and on the 17th and 18th of May, again a massive pump, and right now I think it's sitting at a consolidation price. We may see in the future that there will be another pump like this, but note guys, this is not financial advice or anything else. Do your own research before buying any of these coins. I highly suggest you guys going and joining Telegram group where there are 5,000 members. I've been in this community for about 1 week. I have analyzed what they're doing, and it's pretty interesting as it has an active community. Up top here on the website we can see they have a Discord server, Telegram group, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. All the links will be down into the description, and as well, if you guys want to contact them, here is their email address. Taking a look at the star map, as they call it. In May 2021, livestream AMA2 community-made NFT drop, Abduction bot version 2 community abduction, voting abduction every 3 hours, advanced inactivity kicker, white paper update, website and marketing kickoff. In June to July 2021, livestream AMA 3 NFT collection release, 151 to collect, each has a shiny form. First wave of distribution will be first edition. And getting into the August and September 2021, livestream AMA 4, Discord community support, Discord abduction, battle system for NFTs, Discord shop marketplace, and an FEAT game. Taking a look at their Twitter, they are doing a giveaway, so it's a giveaway time of 1 million abduct. So all you guys have to do to enter is like, plus retweet this tweet, follow, and comment and tag 3 friends below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on notifications, and all the links for the abduction will be into the description. With that being said, flash out.